Okay, good morning to everyone. Good morning, students of my class. We are on chapter number 9. We are on chapter number 9, and we are in the process of completing the exercises. We have already completed the explanation of the chapter pronoun, along with the definition and their types. Today, we will try to complete the exercises of exercise A of interrogative pronoun. Exercise A of interrogative pronoun. Okay, what is interrogative pronoun? An interrogative pronoun is used for asking a question, or a pronoun that used to ask a question is called what? Interrogative pronoun. You can see on my left hand side that the examples of interrogative pronoun are given here, that what, whom, whose, which, where, etc. Means a pronoun that asks a question is called interrogative pronoun, and these are the examples. Now, let us see exercises A of interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun का exercise A देखते हैं. Let us see what is the instruction given here. Look at the board. Fill in the blanks. This blanks. Fill in these blanks with suitable interrogative pronoun. We have to fill up this with interrogative pronouns. Okay. Now, if you don't mind, Vaishnavi Singh, my first students in my class. Students, look here. Yes, Vaishnavi, unmute it, unmute, and try to answer the first question. Dash do you wish to telephone? Use. Vaishnavi, you are not able to hear me. Vaishnavi, unmute. So, next, Mr. Priyansu. Mr. Priyansu. Master Priyansu, unmute. You are not able. Next, Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha, unmute. Unmute karo beta. Unmute it. Students, unmute. Come on, students, everyone, please unmute and try to tell me the answer of the first question. Aradhya Yadav, unmute. Aradhya Yadav, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me the answer. The first answer. Here, fill in the blanks with a suitable interrogative pronoun. Now help me in filling up this sentence. This blank. Who? Who do you wish to telephone?
No, sir. W-H-O-M.
Whom? Very good. W-H-O-M. Whom do you wish to telephone? Thank you. Now, next question goes to Vaishnavi. Araja, mute kar lo. Vaishnavi Singh.
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi Singh. Yes, tell me the next. Dash scooty is that?
Whose?
Whose? Spelling?
W-H-O-S-E.
Whose scooty is that? Very good. Mute it. Mute it.
Yes,
Mute karo. Yes. Sarthak, unmute. Sarthak. Yes. Tell me the answer. Sarthak. Dash is the capital of Australia.
That is the
capital of. क्या होगा बड़ा आंसर? Yes. Tell me the answer. Hurry up. That.
Yes, sir.
No, wrong. Next. Ashwani Yadav. Unmute it. Tell me the answer. Dash is the capital of Australia.
Sir, what?
What? Very good. What is the capital of Australia?
America.
Yes. Hey, it's not America. Mute it. Next, who will tell the answer? Abhimanyu Singh. Unmute. Abhimanyu Singh. Abhimanyu Singh, unmute it. No, sorry. He is not able to unmute. Next, Amrit Pratap, unmute. Amrit Pratap Singh, unmute it and tell me the answer.
Sir.
Dash is your pen. Yes, tell me the answer here.
Which?
Yes. Very good. Which? Yes, which is your pen? Which is your pen? Okay, fine. Next, mute kar lo. Mute it. Mute it. Anamya, unmute. Namya Singh, unmute it and tell me the answer. Dash, do you prefer tea or coffee? Namya Singh, can you hear me? Pratiksha, unmute. Pratiksha, unmute. Yes, tell me the answer. Yes. Dash, do you prefer tea or coffee? What will be the answer?
What do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Very good. What do you prefer, tea or coffee? Next question. Mute it. Pratiksha, mute kar lo. Ayush, unmute. Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ayush. Tell me the answer here. Dash, do you want?
Sir, what?
Very good. What do you want? What do you want? आपने आंसर बताया या मुझसे पूछा what?
Yes, sir.
आपने मुझे आंसर बताया या मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा what?
सर पूछा है.
आपने मुझसे पूछा है. मुझे
Yes,
लगा आपने
sir.
आंसर बताया है, इसलिए मैंने आंसर लिख दिया what. Fine, mute it. Mute it. Next question. Arya. Dash wrote
Yes.
this poem. Yes, Dash wrote this poem. Fill in the blanks
Who
with
wrote this
interrogative.
poem?
Sorry, whom?
Who wrote?
Who wrote this poem? Yes. Now, is it clear, students? Everybody, if it is clear, ये clear है, then show me your thumb so that I can erase the board and write the next 3 questions. Students, if it is clear, अगर ये clear हो गया हो तो you can show me your thumb so that I can erase the board and write the next 3 questions. Clear, everybody? Thank you very much. Thank you, students. Thank you. Mute it, Arya. Mute it. Now let us see next 3 questions of the chapter of this exercise, not of this chapter, but of this exercise number A of interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are those pronoun which ask the question. Interrogative pronoun वो pronoun होते हैं जो प्रश्न पूछते हैं. Yes. Now, look at the next 3 questions. That is question number 8. Students, look at the board. That is question number 8. Dash, do you love the most? Dash, do you love the most? Next question number 9. Dash booked the tickets. Dash book the tickets. And number 10. Dash is the matter. Dash is the matter. Question mark. Yes. Now who is going to? Namya, can you hear me? Show me your thumb. Can you hear me, Namya? Show me your hand. Suryanshu, unmute it. Suryanshu, unmute it. Suryanshu, unmute it. Turn on your video, students, so that I can see you. Turn on your video. Suryan Singh. Suryanshu, right? What's your name? Suryanshu? Suryanshu? Okay, Sajid Ansari. Sajid Ansari, unmute. Sajid Ansari, unmute. सॉरी बेटा, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. आंचल राजभर. आंचल. Sonu Singh, unmute. Sonu Singh, unmute. Yes, Sonu Singh, tell me the answer. Dash do you love the most? Fill in the blanks with interrogative pronoun. Dash do you love the most?
Sir, which?
Yes. Sorry, wrong answer.
Which?
No. Wrong answer. Ankit Singh, unmute. Ankit Singh, unmute.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Ankit, can you help me? Dash do you love the most?
Which?
Wrong. Which do you love the most? No. Wrong answer. Arya, answer me. Arya, unmute it. Arya,
Yes, sir.
dash do you love the most? What will be the answer in this question? What we are going to
What
fill
do
up?
you love the most?
What do you love the most? What do you love the most? No. No. Yes, Namya, mute it, Arya. Namya, unmute karo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Namya, tell me the answer.
Sir.
Yes.
Whom?
Yes, very good. Whom do you love the most? Yes, whom do you love the most? Whom do you love the most? Mute it. Mute it. Aryan Gupta. Aryan Gupta. Yes, unmute karo. Now tell me the answer. Dash book the ticket. Yes. Speak loudly.
Sir.
Aryan Gupta, speak loudly. Where book the ticket? No, wrong. Wrong. Amrit Pratap. Yes, Amrit, tell me the answer. Dash book the ticket.
Which? Sir, which?
Wrong. Wrong answer. Next. Pratiksha, unmuted. Yes, tell me the answer, Pratiksha. Dash book the tickets. Huh? Who? Very good. Yes. Who booked the tickets? Now the last question, I will tell the answer. Dash is the matter. What is the matter? What? Yes. What's the matter? What's the matter? Okay, these are the answers of the exercises of interrogative pronoun exercise A. Is it clear? If it is clear, show me your thumb so that I can erase the board and we shall come to the next question, that is exercise number B. Clear, fine. Thank you very much. Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is exercise number B. Everybody please now be online. Everybody mute it. सब लोग mute कर लो. Mute it so that no one gets disturbed. आप mute करोगे ना तो कोई disturb नहीं होगा. So mute it please everybody. अपना अपना mute कर लो. Everybody mute your phone. Mute your Zoom app please. Yes. Okay, now let us come back to the exercises. Exercise number B. There are 5 questions. There are 5 questions. And what is the instruction given in exercise number B? It is given that underline the interrogative, underline the interrogative pronouns in the sentence, in the following sentences. In the following sentences, this is the instruction given here. So now let me write down the question. Question number 1. Who has come to meet me? Question mark. Number 2. Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Question mark. Number 3. Who are you? Question mark. Number 4. Which is your house? Which is your house? Question mark. Number 5. Whose is this card? Question mark. Yes. Student, what you have to do? Look here. Instruction क्या है? Read the instruction first. Question पढ़िए कि question हमें क्या करने के लिए कह रहा है. Exercise number B of interrogative pronoun. Underline the interrogative pronouns in the following sentence. In this given sentence, we have to underline. बेटा हम underline नहीं करेंगे, हम circle करेंगे. Okay? We will circle the interrogative pronoun. Okay? Now let me ask the question. Who is going to answer? Others, unmute. Others.
Yes.
Yes. First question. Who has come to meet me?
Who, sir? Who?
Very good. ये pronoun है. अब देखो बेटा, मुझसे मिलने कौन आया है? मुझसे मिलने कौन आया है? कौन आया है? कौन की जगह क्या किसी का नाम होगा? कौन प्रोनाउन है, प्रोनाउन के यानी नाउन के बदले हमने एक वर्ड यूज किया है। मुझसे मिलने राम आया है। देखो बेटा, लिसन केयरफुली क्लास 5। राम हैज कम टू मीट मी। यहाँ मैंने लिख दिया आंसर, राम हैज कम, राम हैज कम टू मीट मी, मीट मी। यहाँ पे आंसर देखो, राम मुझसे मिलने आया है, राम हैज कम टू मीट मी। यहाँ पे मैंने ये राम है, राम के बदले इन प्लेस ऑफ राम मैंने क्या यूज किया है यहाँ पे? हु। यस, वेरी गुड। तो हु क्या है? प्रोनाउन है। नाउन के बदले मैंने यहाँ पे हु यूज किया है। दिस हु इज प्रोनाउन। गॉट इट एवरीबॉडी? समझ में आ गया? यस। Who has come to meet me? मुझसे मिलने कौन आया है? Who has come to meet me? Then Ram. या एग्जाम्पल, ओ प्रतीक्षा has come to meet me. तो प्रतीक्षा की जगह मैंने who यूज कर लिया. Then who is an interrogative pronoun. Then who is an interrogative pronoun. Others mute it. Others mute it. Mute it. My next question goes to Divyansh Singh. Write your name. सूर्यांशु सिंह अपना नाम लिखो, किसी और का नाम मत लिखो. डोंट राइट द नेम ऑफ अदर. आपको लगता है कि मुझे नहीं पता चलेगा. दिव्यांश सिंह, राइट योर नेम. सूर्यांशु सिंह. अनम्यूटेड. Sorry. Now my next question goes to Ritvik Gupta. Unmute. Ritvik Gupta, unmute. Ritvik, can you hear me? Ritvik Gupta, क्या? Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Ritvik, yes. Ritvik, आप बोल रहे हो? Okay, fine. Ritvik, which is your pen?
Sir, which?
Which. Very good. Next. Next. Mute it. Ritvik, mute कर लो बेटा. Sajid Ansari, unmute it. Sajid Ansari, unmute it. साजिद अंसारी, अनम्यूट करो. आयुष सिंह, अनम्यूटेड. आयुष सिंह, अनम्यूटेड. आयुष सिंह. ओके, जिनका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है, इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी देयर वीडियोस देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन. जिनका वीडियो नहीं दिखेगा यहाँ पे, मैं उनसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं अराइज करूंगा. शिवांगी यादव.
Yes, sir.
Shivangi Yadav, now tell me.
Yes, sir.
Who are you? Who are you? What is interrogative pronoun in this sentence? Yes?
Who? Sir, who?
Thank you. Thank you. Mute it. Namya, okay. Namya, please unmute it. Yes. Yeah, tell me, which is your house? Which is your house? Which. And in the last question, whose is this car? Whose is this car? What is your Namya? Whose.
Sir, whose?
Yes. Very good. The word which we have for circle, जिस word को हमने यहाँ पे circle किया है, ये सारे क्या है? These all are interrogative pronouns. All these are interrogative pronouns. Got it, students? Clear? Clear, everybody? Okay, students. Now, if it is clear, we shall move to the next question. We will move to next topic, that is relative pronoun. Is it clear? This one, everybody, show me your thumb if it is clear. Show me your thumb and turn on your video. बेटा क्लास में बैठे हो तो चेहरा दिखाओ अपना. Show me your face. Turn on your video. Clear this one? Show me your thumb. Fine. Thank you. Now I'm going to erase it. Now we shall see the next question, that is next topic, that is relative pronoun. That is relative pronoun. Okay. I'm going to ask the definition of relative pronoun. Let me see who is going to answer. Let me see who is going to answer my question. Fine, students. Now look here on the next topic, that is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Students, look at the board. The next topic or the next exercise is about relative pronoun. अगला जो exercise है वो relative pronoun के बारे में है. So first of all, let me write down the questions of relative pronoun. Exercise number A. It is that fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable. Fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. With suitable relative pronoun. Pronouns. This is the instruction given in exercise number A of relative pronoun. Relative pronoun के पहले exercise A में ये instruction दिया हुआ है that fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronoun. Let me write down the question, students. Number 1, all dash glitter. All dash glitters is not gold. Next question is that I have a dog that is white in color. White in color. Number 3, I met the boy. I met the boy that was unwell. Now see question number 4. Listen to dash I say. Number 5. The flowers. The flowers dash grow in my house are very pretty. Are very pretty. Now look at question number 6. Radha is the girl. Radha is the girl dash book I borrowed. Dash book I borrowed. Students, look at the question. Question number 6. If possible, yeah, I can write down the question number 7 also. Look here. C is the person. C is the person dash is to be punished. Dash is to be punished. One more question is there. I think I can't write there. Let me write the last question, or I will write later on. Last question I will write later on. There are 8 questions in this exercise. Now let us see what is relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Who is going to give me the definition of relative pronoun? Who will tell me the definition of relative pronoun? No one. Yes. Aradhya Yadav, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me the definition of relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun?
A relative pronoun is one that refers to noun mentioned before it and also joined to sentence.
Very good. A relative pronoun is one that comes before a noun or refers to a noun mentioned before it and also joined two sentences. Relative pronoun वह pronoun होता है जो एक noun से पहले आता है जिस और उस noun का संबंध किसी और noun के साथ बताता है. Now look here, look here, look here, look here. Examples में देखते हैं. The boy who is playing. The boy who is playing is my brother. This look here example. The boy who is playing is my brother. तो relative pronoun इस तरीके के pronoun होते हैं और इससे पहले जो यहाँ पे noun है, इस noun का relation किसके साथ? Brother के साथ. Okay. So this types of pronoun are called relative pronouns. Okay. Students, same example. एग्जाम्पल जो रिलेटिव जो इंट्रोगेटिव में प्रोनाउन में जो एग्जाम्पल्स थे रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के भी एग्जाम्पल सेम वही होते हैं. नाउ लेट अस राइट डाउन द एग्जाम्पल दैट हु व्हिच whose whom एक्सेट्रा. देखो बेटा, लुक हियर एवरीबॉडी. स्टूडेंट्स, इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के एग्जांपल और रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन के एग्जांपल सेम होते हैं. द डिफरेंस इज दैट इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन हमेशा क्वेश्चन पूछता है एंड रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछता. इट डजंट आस्क द क्वेश्चन. Relative pronoun, it always refers to a noun mentioned before it and also joins two sentences together.
It joins two
yes.
sentences.
Okay, fine. Aradhya, mute it. Mute it, बेटा म्यूट कर लोगे तो किसी को डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा ना, इसलिए कह रहा हूँ. Yes, very good, thank you. Now let me ask a question one by one. Who is going to answer my first question? Who is going to answer my first question? Yes, the first question goes to Arya Tripathi. Yes, come on, Arya Tripathi. Unmute it and tell me the answer. That is, you have to fill up your relative pronoun. Arya Tripathi, unmute it. Yes, Arya, tell me. All dash glitter is not gold. Yes.
All that glitters is not gold.
Very good. हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होती. All that glitter is not gold. हर चमकने वाली चीज सोना नहीं होता. Right now? Yes. Now mute it. Mute कर लो.
Yes,
Mute कर लो. Yes. मुझे कहना ना पड़े. Because I am going to ask one question to one student. आप ऐसा उम्मीद मत करना कि मैं आपसे second question arise करूंगा. Okay. Now Suryanshu, unmute it.
Yes,
Suryanshu, unmute it. Yes, tell me. I have a dog. That is what? Yes.
that.
क्या होगा? That is white
Sir,
in color.
that.
No, sorry.
Sir, which,
Sorry.
which, sir, which?
Okay, which होगा? Yes. अब दोबारा दो आंसर मत बोलना. Okay, never respond to answer. Give me only one answer. Okay, right. This is the right answer. Which. Now the next question goes to Namya. Suryanshu. Namya, this is which. Namya, unmute it. I have a dog which is white in color. मेरे पास एक कुत्ता है जो सफेद रंग का है. Now I met the boy that was unwell. Namya, unmute it. Namya, unmute करो. Namya, can you hear me? Yes, tell me the answer. I met the boy that was unwell. Yes. No answer. I'm not able to hear. Yes, Shivangi. Shivangi Yadav,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
tell me the answer. I met the boy that was unwell. Who? Very good. I met the boy who was unwell. Yes. Good, good. Mute karo, mute karo. Mute it. Now my next question is to Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh, unmute. Ankit Singh, unmute. Ankit Singh, unmute. Yes. Now tell me the answer. Listen to dash I say. Yes, listen to dash I say.
What?
Listen to what I say or listen to that I say. दोनों हो सकता है. Listen to that भी हो सकता है. Listen to that I say or no. Listen to that I say. Listen to that I say or listen to what I say. दोनों right answer है. Okay. Listen to what I say or listen to that I say. Fine. Next. Number 5. Mute it. Ankit, mute it. Don't allow me. मुझे ये टाइम मत दो कि मैं आपका नाम लूं, आपसे कहूं कि म्यूट करो प्लीज. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Pratyaksha Raj, unmute it and tell me the answer. The flower that grow in my house are very pretty.
Sir, which?
Which, very good. The flower which grows in my house are very pretty. Now the next question goes to Adarsh. Adarsh Kumar. Adarsh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Radha is the girl that book I borrowed. Radha is the girl dash book I borrowed. Yes.
Sir, whose?
Tell me that. Whose? Very good. Radha is the girl whose book I borrowed. Yes. Mute it. Pratyaksha, mute karo. Mute it. Next, Abhiman Singh. Abhiman Singh, tell me the answer. C is the person that is to be punished. Abhiman Singh, unmute it, no? Okay, Namya, tell me. Namya, unmute karo. Namya Singh, unmute it. C is the person that is to be punished. Sorry? C is the person. WHO. Yeah. C is the person who is to be punished. Now look at the last question, question number 8. Look at question number 8, students. Look at question number 8. Question number 8. What is the question written? Let me see the question. Our team will play. Our team will play. Our team will play the match. The match dash begins what? Tomorrow. Dash begins tomorrow. Dash begins tomorrow. Now, who will answer me? The last question of today's question, the last one. Let me ask you one question. Yeah, Vaishnavi, unmute it. Vaishnavi, unmute it. Our team will play the match dash begins tomorrow. She's not able to respond me. Ayush Singh. Ayush Singh. Ayush, unmute. Yes. Now tell me the answer. Our team will play the match dash begins tomorrow. What will be the answer? Yeah, tell me, Ayush. I can hear you. Come on, tell me. Sorry, no, I can't hear. I'm not able to hear to your response. Aradhya Yadav, yes, tell me. Aradhya Yadav, unmute it, tell me. Our team will play the that begins tomorrow. No. Which? Yes, which begins tomorrow. Our team will play the match which begins tomorrow. Which begins tomorrow. Yes. Thank you very much, students. Thank you. Today's class